There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
Divas, what's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know I'm back to slay with an Amazon wig today. Okay, what's up, y'all? I hope y'all all having like a really great day when y'all watching this video. You know, staying positive, motivated, out the way. You know, and minding your business like you should. What's up? What's up? Feeling really energetic right now. I think it's because I changed my shirt. I know y'all gonna be like, girl, what? Because I changed my shirt. So I just finished doing a wig video, and I really do like the shirt that I had on, but once I started taking pictures of myself with the wig on and the shirt, I just felt old. I felt aged. The shirt was a pale yellow button-up. It made me feel old. It made me feel aged. I think it's because the hair was short. I don't really know about short hair for myself sometimes. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I started feeling old in the shirt, like an old lady, like I was like 70, like the Golden Girls. I was sitting at the table in the kitchen with the Golden Girls. Yeah, that's definitely how I felt. I then took the shirt off and I put on something a lot more jazzier. You know what I'm saying? So here I am. Y'all already know what I say about this company because I love them so much. Like, there's really not much you can say but good things about UNICE Hair. UNICE Hair, you know they really do care. Get your wig from Amazon because Amazon Prime, you're going to get your wig on time, girl. The best of the best of the best for less. Girl, if you want a budget and you want to look real cute, okay, and you want to do it like it's your B-Day, check out UNICE Hair. You can check them out on Amazon. You can check them out on AliExpress. You can check them out on their own website, girl. You can check them out. When I tell you, you can look your best for less, check out UNICE. And this is one of those everything wigs where you could just take her out the box and put her on and be out the door. Listen, we're going to look real cute after this video is over. I got me an edge brush, okay? Who don't need a good edge brush? Because I know you do. A melting band, because girl, who don't need a good melting band? You do, okay? And we got our HD wig cap. You already know the pretty pink box come through. Now, this one is highlighted to the max. She's a 7x5, so you do get parting, but it's not like a 13x4, but girl, they give you enough parting straight out the door. You got some tape in there with it, so that way if you need to tape her down, baby, she's gonna be taped down. Now, I love a good wig. What I tell y'all, I say this all the time. I love a good wig. And if you love a good wig like me, then you want to check out UNICE. Now, this is her. Ooh, she's got a part on the side, on the left side. This is what she's looking like. Hello. Look at her highlights. Okay. Girl, she's pretty. She's a 7x5, like I stated. So you're going to get enough parting. Like, look, this is definitely enough parting. Okay. Ladies, this is enough parting. And she also does come with a comb in the nape. So that way she don't fly up in the back. Okay. She comes with an adjustable strap. All right. And the best of the best of the best, say less. When you want to make sure your wig is on strong, you got the drawstring to hold on. Oh. So look at her highlights. She's pretty. She is a water wave. She is parted on the left already. A nice curved part for you. So let's just jump into this. I'm going to put on some music.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those factors in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe?
Yeah, trying to get you out my thoughts today. Still chained to you when I walked away. Still chained, you know it'd be hard to break, cause I kept it way too real to automate. I wanna talk to you for my conscience sake, trying to make my mind and body cooperate. I used to have some shots to give for ones you take, but then I took them all to heal and lost the way. Got me riding around listening to Marvin Gaye, reminisce what
Okay,
was, come
y'all,
out
she
with
came out real cute. Okay, what can I say? We slayed today, okay? This wig came out super cute. It is a water wave, so if you don't want to put any curls in it with a hot curler, you can definitely just add some water and conditioner. Girl, make sure you have some good foam on hand and define them waves or curls, and you're good to go. But if you want to make it really, really different, you want to put style into it, you can definitely use your hot wand curler and curl her up and give you more volume. This wig is definitely cute. Like I said, it's a 7x5, but 7x5s does not mean lack of parting. You are getting plenty of parting in this unit. What I tell y'all, I love me a good wig, girl, okay? When you going to wear a wig, do it big. I'm just saying. The highlights in this is actually really, really nice. UNICE be having some really nice wigs. That's why they call UNICE. They nice, their hair nice. We all looking nice, okay, girl? What I tell y'all before, Amazon Prime, get your wig on time. And when I tell you UNICE has budget-friendly baddie hair, they definitely do. From wigs to bundles to definitely crochet hair, girl, they got you. Girl, listen, this wig is cute. Cute is the word. We looking summer ready. UNICE definitely slayed. You already know your girl is hot. Now, like I said, it's a pre-everything and pre-approved by your girl, because you know I love UNICE. So if you stay to the end of this video, girl, go ahead and give me one of those pink hearts in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Have you ever purchased a wig from UNICE? I love y'all. Make sure you stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you check the description box for all the deets on this wig. And on that note, I got to go, but I'll see y'all in another video.